Hello, moneymakers. This is an era of AI, and almost everyone is taking advantage of it by creating content. Then why are you sitting lazy on your couch and wasting your time watching these content? Guys, don't be a consumer, be a producer, and I am sure you will make shit tons of money every month. You don't believe me, right? I know. Check out this channel named Fongor. They have gained more than 60,000 subscribers within just 4 months by uploading giant sea creature videos on YouTube. If this person can do it, you can do it too. My name is AI Maskman, and I have uploaded over 100 high-quality tutorials which will guide you on how to make money with AI. In this video episode, I will personally create the whole video for you, and along with that, I will teach step-by-step on how to create this type of content. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with everything you need to create a channel like this one from scratch. So let's get started. Alright guys, you can create such videos easily in just 4 simple steps. How? Let me explain. But make sure you watch this video till the end to understand the complete process. First, you need to create those unusual looking sea creature images where it looks like people are carrying them on a boat. Now, where will you get such image ideas and prompts to create them? Let me explain. First, click on the WhatsApp channel link provided in the description below and join the channel. There you'll find everything you need. Then from there you'll find a Google Doc. Inside that document I've prepared a specific prompt designed to generate ideas for such unique images. This prompt allows you to create unlimited ideas using ChatGPT. The prompt includes detailed descriptions, like what the creature should look like, where it would be placed, what kind of boat it's in, and all other details. All you need to do is copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique prompts for you to use. However, sometimes you may not get the exact response you were hoping for. That's why I've already included several image prompts in my Google Doc that you can directly use to generate images. You can also provide these prompts to ChatGPT as examples, which will help it understand your needs better. This way, you can create image prompts through ChatGPT. If you want images similar to those from a reference channel, you can make them too. Let me show you how to do this, step by step. First, take a screenshot of the specific part of the video for which you want to create an image. Then, open your browser and search for Po AI tool. Sign into the tool, upload the screenshot, and type in, "Provide me a prompt to generate this image." The tool will generate a detailed prompt for you to recreate the image. You can also do this on ChatGPT. However, with the free version of ChatGPT, you're limited to uploading only 2 images per day. If you don't have ChatGPT Plus, Po AI is an excellent alternative. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating images. To generate images, I'll show you 2 free AI tools. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. The first tool is Piclumen AI. Start by opening your browser and searching for Piclumen AI. Sign into your account. Currently, this tool allows you to generate images for free, but keep in mind it takes a little time to process. Now from the Piclumen dashboard, choose the Create option. I've already generated some images here using the prompts provided in my Google Doc. You can use these prompts too to create similar images. If you want to generate an image based on a reference image, click on the image upload icon. Upload the screenshot you took earlier. Then, copy the image prompt you generated using the Po tool and paste it here. Next, select the ratio you need and click Generate. The tool will create an image that closely matches your reference. However, keep in mind that the image quality might be slightly lower. For higher quality results, you can select the flux option before generating. Now let's pick one of the prompts from my Google Doc and generate an image. That looks great, right? The result was insane. This way you can generate 3 to 4 images of the same creature and merge them into a single video. Alright. The second image generator tool is Leonardo AI, and you might already be familiar with it. This tool gives you 150 free tokens daily to use. First, go to the dashboard and click on Create Image. Then, from the preset styles, choose the Phoenix option. Next, set the ratio according to your needs and paste your prompt. For this example, I'll use the same prompt I used in Piclumen AI to see how it performs. And the result? It's absolutely amazing, right? So, you can definitely use this tool to generate stunning images for your projects. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Converting images into videos. For this, you'll use Hilo AI. With Hilo AI, you can generate up to 3 videos for free every day. Simply open the tool, sign in, and upload the images you've generated. After that, click Generate. Keep in mind that this tool can take a bit of time, which is why I've already generated a few videos as examples. Check out the results. They look incredibly realistic. Here's another example. While Hilo AI also allows you to generate videos directly from text, the results are sometimes inconsistent. That's why it's better to create videos by converting images instead. Alright, this is how you generate your video. Now let's move on to the final step. Step 4. Editing. For editing, I'll be using CapCut AI, but before that, you need to open Pixabay and download some relevant sound effects. For example, I'll search for crowd people talking here and download the sound effect. Next, if the video has an ocean scene, I'll search for ocean wave and download that sound too. This way, you need to find and download all the sound effects that match your video. Once you've got all your materials ready, open CapCut and import all the generated videos and sound effects. Now add the videos one by one in sequence to the timeline. If there's a watermark on the video, you can stretch the video slightly and adjust it so that the watermark doesn't show. Next, head over to the Filters section in CapCut and search for the Clear filter. Apply it to the entire video for a polished look. You can also experiment with different filters to see which one suits your video best. Now go to the Transitions section and add transitions between the clips if you're merging videos of 2 to 3 creatures. If it's just a single video, you can skip this step. Finally, take the sound effects you downloaded earlier and add them to the timeline at the appropriate places. Adjust their volume to ensure they blend seamlessly with the video. And that's it, your video is now ready to be uploaded. This is how you can create unique sea creature videos without much effort or cost. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's check out the demo video we created.